go. All right. What up, though? So, today we are going to be doing a little bit of testing, some night flying with the Avata 2. Got the goggles right here, the controller in my pocket, and the main event, this joker right here. So the lights that I'm testing out are, honestly, I don't remember. But I got this kit right here. Didn't I take off active track? Let me take off active track right quick. Okay, there we go. So I got this kit right here from DroneWorks, a veteran-owned company. And it looks like it's just a 3D printed mounting system for lights. These lights right here. These two lights right here in the front and these two lights here on the bottom. And basically, DroneWorks sells the completed kit, whereas some other places I was looking into, they only sold the mounting system without the lights. I can't tell you how much it costs. I'll put a link down in the description, and to give you an idea how much the whole kit costs from DroneWorks. But I appreciate the whole kit because some other companies, or some, I think it was on Etsy or something I saw it on, they tell you what lights to buy that work with this system, but they don't necessarily sell the lights with the 3D printed system. So I really appreciate that from DroneWorks to actually sell the lights. So I ain't gotta be trying to figure out where to go. Do I have the right ones? This and that and the third is out of stock, whatever. But I got the bumpers on here from Original Dobo. I think I said that correctly. YouTube channel. He sells these bumpers for the Avata 2. And then on top of that, I got these bumpers for Amazon. I don't know who sell them, but I got them from Amazon just for extra protection for the camera. But yeah, we're gonna be doing some night flights. I'm about to turn the lights on and I'm about to put the goggles on and we're gonna fly. And this is how it looks when it's got all the lights on underneath. That's how it's gonna look.
Does that one have infrared?
Infrared? Nah. So I'm about to start flying. I'm gonna turn the camera around, and I'm on the Pocket 3, by the way. I'm gonna turn the camera around and just show you how it look flying through the camera. All right. Because I'm done. So that's basically all I wanted to do. I just wanted to test, come out here at nighttime and test to see how it is. I still got to deal with my motion sickness because I still get slightly motion sick when I'm flying that thing, especially at night where a lot of things you can't really see it unless you get up on it. You'll see in the video footage that you got to like, once you get up on it, you'll be able to see it. Like the trees and everything, you can see that silhouette, but you can't really tell the depth of the tree until you get close to it. But I'm gonna turn the camera around. My husband got the drone in his hand. Babe, walk towards me, and just turn. Put the camera. Yeah, come closer. Put it down. Put the lights down. Point them down. Point the lights down. Yeah, come closer. Stop right there. Back. So this is basically how to look. The lights on the front and everything. And you can't even, I thought I would be able to see the bumpers. Like, almost like they're glowing in the dark. But clearly, all you could see was the lights. You could hear it and you could just see the lights. But the video footage is not that bad, honestly. Do I just need one click? Oh no, that's just turn on the beacon. The video footage was not that bad from it. It actually, was okay. But you can really see the flurries flying around. If you get too close to the ground, it start kicking up dust and just regular, just like dust in the air. And like I said, it's like, oh my light, oh no, I didn't. It's like pitch black out here. Like it's dark out here. I'm about to turn this light off and show you just how dark it is out here.
You only have the moon. That's it. That's how dark it is.
So I got the other light facing the other way. I got active track on, but I got the other light facing the other way, and you see how dark it is. Like, let me turn this light off too. Let me take off active track. See, you see how dark it is? Like, you can barely see me. Barely see me with no lights on. Let me turn the lights back on. But yeah, it's dark out here, like really dark. So I think this was a good test to show in really dark situations, if you have these lights on, you can pretty much see what you need to see, but you really got to be up on it because these are not like beams coming out of here. And I didn't even know they had a low, medium, high. I thought they was always high, but it's a nice beam.
How do you charge them?
USB-C. Okay. You charge
Everything USB-C.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you charge all 4 of the lights through USB-C, which makes it so convenient. However, what's not convenient is that I've noticed you need USB-A to USB-C. USB-C to USB-C, for some reason, doesn't charge it. But from USB-A to USB-C, it does charge it. So if you have any cable that's USB-A to USB-C, you'll be fine. USB-C to USB-C, I had some troubles, at least in my experience. As of recently, I just charged these lights up last night, and it wouldn't charge going from USB-C to USB-C. So just keep that in mind, that some of this stuff is kind of like old school, and that you might have to keep that USB-A to USB-C, because that's what it comes with. Both set of these lights are different, made by different companies, and they come with USB-A to USB-C charging. And sometimes that's what you have to charge it with. It don't work with other stuff. But for the most part, I really liked the knife line. Let me know what you guys think downtown in those comments. Is waiting my love, and while you down there, freak that like button and let's have a conversation. What do you think about this whole kit system from DroneWorks? Like I said, it's a veteran-owned company. That's the reason why I went with it, because I did see other people, companies, small businesses on Etsy. They were selling just the mounting system, not the lights. Maybe I didn't look hard enough. Maybe I just made up my mind already and was going to go with DroneWorks because I'm a veteran. It's a veteran-owned company. But it was kind of pricey. I think it cost me over $200-something.
What, for those lights?
For the whole kit.
Oh, the whole kit.
The whole kit, I think, was over $200. But I think it was well worth it because, like I said, it took out the whole trying to find the lights. Do I get it from Amazon? Do I get them directly from the manufacturer? So it took all of that guesswork and all that other hard. They pretty much did the hard work for you. So all you had to do was just purchase the kit. And why not support a veteran-owned company? But what do you guys think? I flew around some. I thought I could see fairly well. I thought once I got up on something, I could see pretty well. If I was flying like indoors, it might be better because on the basketball court, when I hit the light on the hoop, it lit up. You can really see the hoop the basketball hoop very well. So I'm thinking if you're flying indoors and you hit the lights with the wall and you got the lights on the bottom that's bouncing off the floor, you'll probably have more light than you would obviously outdoors because you don't really have the reflection of the lights bouncing off the walls or the trees and nothing like that. So, but one on that basketball court, it bounced really good off that hoop. So let me know what y'all think. I like it. I like it a lot. I really thought that these bumpers would kind of like glow in the dark. Hey, original Dobo, let me get some glow in the dark bumpers. Like for real, that would be fire if I can get the glow in the dark bumpers. That would be hot. But show y'all the system once again. Lights on the bottom. And it was the install was really easy. You just take these 2 screws here out on the top. And it's the screws that come, I think it was the screws that came. No, I had to use the screws that came with the kit, if I'm not mistaken. Because I think they're longer. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. But take them 2 screws out, line it up, put it on there, and then what it does is it snaps it into here. Now, granted, your SD card is in that spot. So if you, like me, sometimes I like to just take the footage directly from the SD card and not do all that transfer because my DJI Fly app don't be acting right. So sometimes I just like to take it directly from the SD card. But, I mean, I can pop it off right now. It's real. Look at that, I'm talking about it's real easy, but I'm over here struggling. But yeah, that's the bottom piece. So I mean, it's fairly easy to pop off. That's the bottom piece with the lights that goes underneath right there. So I mean, it comes in 2 parts. It's pretty easy to pop off and to pop it back on. So it's not like it's a struggle. It's a little bit of an inconvenience, but for the most part, it's an inconvenience that I personally can deal with and that doesn't really do a whole lot. But it does hit those sensors at the bottom and the back, so you can be able to fly at nighttime. And like I said, if you fly in an indoor facility, a house or a warehouse or something, you're going to have that reflection bouncing up off the walls and the floors. So it'll probably be significantly, so you just snap it back in just like that, and you back in business. It'll probably be significantly better in a indoor situation than an outdoor situation. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. That is the video for today, and Don't forget your keys, your wallet, and your phone on your way out. We out.